Now we will talk about convert self XSS to reflected one. So sometimes it will give you bounty, sometimes it won't give you bounty. Okay, let's try on this website. So I will spider this website first. So I'll open this website. Proxy intercept is on. I think you know how to spider this. I don't have to. I already spider, and I got these many URLs. I'll pick any other URLs having parameters. Right click, send this to repeater. So let's click on go and let's search this now. In a response, I got this is reflecting. See this? So what if instead of this, what if I'll give double quote closing, then I'll give script alert 1 and a script tag close. Yes, let's go right click, show response in browser, copy this, let's paste into browser. It's executing or not? It's executed. But the problem is when you copy URL, because it's a reflected bit, so it's a get based reflected. When you copy URL and when you are visiting this, it's not reflecting. That means there is a self XSS. Okay, only you can execute this. So what I done there, self XSS you can do, you can directly copy the HTML code. Just copy this, open a notepad, save there the self XSS to reflect, and now open with the browser. Let's open with Firefox. See, it's executing one, but the problem is one cannot harm anyone. Okay, what if instead of do alert one, do redirections? So what if I redirect people? Document dot location dot h reference equal to, I'll give a website there, http://bing.com. let's click on go and just copy the HTML code. Now let's save this and then open that. Okay, now open this. What happened? See, it's redirecting to bing.com. so there is a vulnerability. So we converted self XSS to reflected one with exploitable. So I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session later on.